video, and today's video is another haul video, and I know everyone is waiting for this. Actually बहुत टाइम से I was just making some lookbooks, outfit ideas and everything else, but not haul. Finally I'm doing it. Even I'm so happy, seriously. So I bought few things from Jabong, Ajio and Pantaloons. Actually Pantaloons I just bought one thing. Let me just show you. So these are the palazzo pants and these both are same. Actual total same. The size, everything is same. Except one I bought from Pantaloons and the other one I bought from Jabong. So actually what happened is I went to Pantaloons like few days back. I was shopping for my mom's and then I saw this palazzo. I really loved it and I thought let's buy it. And I bought it, no discount, nothing. It was costed 900 rupees and that's the actual price. Look at this. The second one also pricing 899, but then I got the Jabong discount and it costed me 680 rupees. And then I was thinking, why didn't I check it before? Seriously. Now I have two of them and I'm just planning that I'll return the Pantaloon wala and उसके बदले credit ले लूँगी और I'll buy some kurti from my mom or someone else. So अभी 3 months का return होता है Pantaloons पे, तो I can go anytime and return it. So yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you before I start the haul video, that I just bought one thing from Pantaloon. Now let's move to the video without any further ado. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please hit the red subscribe button for more such good videos. And now let's move to the video. And the first thing is this elegant and classy camel colored pencil skirt, or you can say beige. You guys must have seen these type of skirts in Forever 21 or H&M, but they are quite expensive. But this one is from Pantaloon and it's very affordable, guys. I really loved it. The fabric is cotton or corduroy kind of material, I'm not sure, and it's really soft. Love the button detailing and front pockets. You can pair it with anything like cold shoulder tops, crop tops or any other t-shirt because the color is so basic. It will go with everything and the length is so perfect. So I really loved it. Maroon printed shirt which is highlighted with subtle print all over, making it look more appealing. The fabric is rayon, offers free flow slot and utmost comfort. I really loved it. Perfect fit for busty girls like me and makes you look slimmer, so which is the best part. Mid-rise flare jeans. It's my recent favorite bottom wear. It's so comfortable and stylish. I love this one. They have a nice button detailing in the bottom. You can wear the way you want it. Seriously, it has a nice bootcut design. It gives you a very stylish and trendy look. You have seen my previous summer outfit idea video and I was wearing this jeans. It's so damn amazing. I loved it and it's very comfortable, and the best part is the material is 100% cotton. So it's not denim. You don't feel warm inside it. It's so cozy and comfortable. I really love this jeans. Black embroidery off-shoulder top, very feminine. Got a split back which makes it very casual item for the season. This top will definitely go well with cool denim shorts and white sneaker. This will look amazing. It has got off-shoulder neckline, crinkled design all over. The fabric is rayon which is perfect for sunny day look, and the floral embroidery work on the front area really makes it more appealing. Overlapped split back which is very stylish. I was looking for some red pants and then I saw it. It's worth buying these type of products. It's very comfortable, very relaxed, two-sided pockets. That's all I want for summer actually, and you can pair them the way you want it, like with kurtas or with tops or with anything. The material is cotton and I'm sure the color won't go away because the material is super duper quality. multicolor printed top made from polyester. This is extremely soft against your skin. Love the peplum style. Provides a very royal Rajasthani type of a look actually. And if you will pair it with the white jeans, it will give you a more graceful look. I really loved it. Right now I'm pairing it with the black jegging, but it's not bad. You can see it has got a nice lace detailing, the peplum detailing all over the frills, and got full sleeves. So it's a perfect purchase for like winters, summers, or anything. Yellow printed top. Fabric is premium viscose. You can pair it in two style like cold shoulder or sleeveless, and this is perfect for any Indo-West or a proper Indian look. I have paired it with same old pink dhoti pant. You can also pair it with any traditional skirt or any other plain cigarette pants for the Indo-Western look. Top with strappy neckline, perfect to have for your gym or any sports. Very comfortable, very relaxed, and material is polyester jersey which really feels soft on your skin. These type of things are really good if you are a sports person. Off-white printed flared fit palazzo, and I have already told you how much I loved it. That's why I have two of them right now, and it's a cotton material but super duper quality, guys. I really loved it. The geometric print all over, got two-sided pocket, which is the best part. I really love these kind of palazzos. Paired it with white t-shirt, and that's it. Tied a knot for the perfect look. A-line black dress comes with lining. I really loved it. It's one of my favorite actually. Simply stylish and utterly chic. This black dress has slim shoulder straps and a spaghetti neckline. The dress material is polyester and the lining material is cotton, which is really soft against the skin. If you want, you can pair them differently. Like I have also paired this crop top with the first skirt I have shown you, and you can pair this black dress with a white top or plain any other color t-shirt. So this is actually one of the good thing I would recommend. If you're really looking for A-line dresses, go for this one, guys. The material is super. Mid-rise distressed jeans with embroidery. If you also have belly fat like me, then always go for mid-rise fit. They make you look slim, and you can pair your crop top with them. Again, material is 100% cotton. I love AJIO for these trendy clothes. They always make most trendy clothes in and that too in budget, so which is the best. And if you can't even wear these type of jeans like distressed and these patchy work, then AJIO have a huge collection of mid-rise fit. Mid-rise palazzos with metal eyelets. These are exceptionally stylish addition to regular casual wear. The fit is very relaxed. The fabric is cotton, got a nice pleats, and look super stylish. This is the must-have thing in your wardrobe this summer. This is very summery. Gives you a very easy breezy look. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and thank you for watching, guys. Bye.